Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question which is find a value of 40 to power 60 over 20 to power 30. In order to solve this question, first we break this value into the two parts and we will get 2 into 20 to power 60 and 20 to power 30 value same as before in denominator. Now from the basic rule of algebra, if two values are in multiplication and have same power, we can write these values with individually with the same power. So here we apply this rule and we can write this value as 2 is to power 60 into 20 is to power 60, and here we apply another basic rule of algebra, which is if a value is in the denominator or exists in a denominator, when it moves to a numerator, then its power will convert in from positive to negative sign, and here we apply the same rule. And when this 20 to power 30 will move from denominator to numerator, its power will convert from positive to negative value, and we write as 20 to power minus 30. In the next step we apply another basic rule of algebra, which is if the bases are equal, then their power will add together. So here we apply this rule, and 2 to power 60 is the same as before. Now 2 to power 60 is same as before, but when we subtract 30 from this 60, we will get 20 to power 30. Now in the next step, we can write this value as 2 is to power 30 plus 30, and 20 is to power 30 is the same as before. Now here we apply another rule of algebra, and we can write this value as 2 is to power 30 into 2 is to power 30, and 20 is to power 30 is same as before. And from the basic rule of algebra or another rule of algebra, if the bases are different but their power are same, we can write these values with the same power, with one same power, and we can write this expression as 2 into 20 is to power 30, and then multiply this value and we will get 80, and 30 is same as before. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.